So hello friend, from quite some time I'm making videos on MTF, margin trade facility or margin trade funding. It is also called pay letter. So in many broker call it pay letter. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the most wanted stock for MTF, which I am doing a research and I'm very much impressed about that stock, which I'm going to talk. And I'm also going to give you the reason why I'm mad about that product. So let's begin. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about one stock which I'm thinking to build a portfolio for 3 to 5 years. And I feel that once the stock will up and running, it will give me a very good return. The name of the stock is Asian Paints. Now I know a lot of people say, sir, that stock is already broken by 33%. That's why I'm talking. This is my first important information that stock, which was or which is even now the market leader in paint industry, their stock is 35% down. Now, why I'm considering, let me give you my reasons. So there are 3 reasons why I'm considering to pick up Asian Paints in small quantity over the time. I'm not hungry like I'm going to buy 10 crores now. Of course, I don't have that much money. But the simple reason why I'm thinking about it, first thing, the stock is 33%, 35% down. Second, this was a market leader. And third reason is they are considering to launch some new product or new projects. And I think there's a change, there's a little bit change in management also. So the main reason why the stock price has gone down, one, there is stock price is down for almost every stock in the market. So yes, there is no exception, but there was a continuous downtime in the sales. So their sales was considering like it's going down from maybe I think 2 or 3 quarters. Now, what is the main reason? I will also tell you, but as I told you, 3 reasons. These are reasons why I'm considering this. And the reason number 1, I told you, it's a good company on very good discount. So you have to find an investment which should be good, but it should be available at good price. So it's a good company at good price. Second, it's a market leader. And generally I have seen over the year, when market leader goes down, because they already have money, a lot of money and the distribution channel and everything, they just need to reinvent themselves. And they're definitely going to find something new, exciting. And in no time, then company will up and running and the share prices, sales will rocket and then sales prices will also go up. So that's my thinking. That's my procedure about it. But let me tell you that every coin has 2 sides. So if there is a plus, there is a risk also. Always in all investment, there is a risk. Something can go wrong also. So let me tell you that, and then I will tell you that how to enter, how you should enter, and how should you manage your risk. So first thing, the risk in this company, the first risk is the paint industry is getting old. That means it's getting out of fashion. So if you see any commercial building, big buildings, they are not using paint anymore. They're using glass, they're using claddings, they're using ACP, that's called aluminum composite panels. So they're not using paints. The use of paint is very limited now in modern buildings, modern commercial building, if I say, only for decoration or some wall and all. So this is one negative thing. But if you consider the positive part, or still a positive part, that still in the residential buildings, still the paint is used. A lot of paint is getting used. Now, the idea here is, the simple idea is that if you say, consider that there are 2-tier cities, 3-tier cities, still the housing sector is booming and there is a lot of paints requirement. Second risk, if I tell you, that there are increase in the rivals. Now it is happening because you say Birla is getting into paint industry, Virgin Paint is there, and so many other companies are there. Then there are small companies also who are into paint industry. So one thing, the major sales part is going off, and second, the risk is like more rivals are there. But understand one more thing: if in any industry more companies are coming, that means still there is a lot of opportunities are available. They are not mad that they will come in an industry which is already dying. So if they are coming into that, that means already there is a market. So again, it is a bad news, but it is a good news also that there is still a lot of opportunity available. And third thing, if I tell you about this thing, they have launched a very big project, which basically they call it like, you call me and my people will come and paint your house. They have promoted a lot also with Saif Ali Khan and all, but it didn't took off because their cost was quite high. I actually planned to paint my own house. I called them, I got the quotation. It was very quite heavy, like high. I better get it done by some local interior designer. So that three things basically somehow hit them. What they were expecting from this paint your house project didn't took off, and that's why the state share is here. But what I'm thinking that they, as I heard, it is not confirmed. They definitely they have to work something different, and once they will be working that, there will be good time also. So last part, I will tell you that how to enter and how much you should invest. So you should enter in small quantity because this stock may take 3 to 5 years to pick up again, right? So only put that money which you don't require for 3 to 5 years. If you require money, don't put it. Second, already I told you, go as a SIP. Like every month, whenever something is falling by some shares, keep it accumulating on every fall. Third important part, don't invest more than 5% of your portfolio. If you are a risk taker, still not more than 10%. So this is how you should do, and you should hold it. You definitely have to do it with MTF. So in MTF already you are going to get more margin. So even you invest say 10% of that in Asian Paints, as I know, they are giving 70% markup, like 70% margin. So even you invest say 1 lakh rupees, you will easily get say 3.5 lakh rupees as a margin. So your portfolio will be still very good. So once this stock will up and running, I think it will give very good return. But yes, that return may come after 3 years. So you should be ready to bear interest cost every month, while your return will come after 3 years. So if you're ready with this risk, then only consider this. And again, let me give you a legal disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor. This is only a hint on a possible company which you should analyze yourself, and you should understand your risk and reward. If you have any investment advisor, consult with him, then only decide whether you really want to do something with Asian Paints or not. So that's all in this video, friends. If you have any query, any question on MTF, which is also called pay letter, or any stocks, please let me know. I will try to give a rational, reasonable answer for that question. So that's all in this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.